Akala natin happy ang aso mo. Pero ang totoo, stress lang pala sila. Hello, my name is Miss Suzanne. Hindi po ako vet, but I've been with animal welfare for almost 25 years. I also had an international NGO that helps uplift the lives of Philippine dogs. Kapag ang aso mo ay madalas magyon kahit hindi inaantok, naglilik ng lips kahit walang food, or umiiwas sa tingin sa'yo or sa ibang tao, hindi yan arte. Signs yan ng stress. Parang sinasabi nila, I'm not comfortable here, please give me space. Tahimik lang sila, pero overwhelmed sila sa situation. At kapag hindi natin ito pinansin, this leads to snapping, hiding, or behavioral changes. So remember, if you know how to read body signals, mas maproprotect mo ang aso mo at mas lumalalim ang tiwala niya sa'yo. Save this tip para malaman mo kung kailan mong bibigyan ng space ang aso mo. Follow for more dog behavioral secrets every fur parents should know.